2, 3.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to deal with the first chapter, reproduction in organism. In that, the first video, which is going to have only a note on asexual reproduction. Very important concept, can be asked for 2 marks in the annual examination. Let me start with the beginning. In the chapter here, we are going to study about general account of reproduction, where reproduction is necessary evil in the lifespan. What is lifespan? Important for 1 mark definition. It is nothing but the duration between birth till death. That is called as lifespan. Second thing, reproduction. It's a biological process where organisms give birth to the young ones of its own kind. Again, definition can be asked for 1 mark. Reproduction has got 2 types. First one is called as asexual and second one is called as sexual. Now, on what basis it has been divided? It has been categorized simply on the basis of fusion of gamete. If the reproduction is having fusion of gamete, we call it as sexual, and if the reproduction do not have any involvement of the gamete, then we call it as asexual reproduction. The thing in the asexual reproduction is, as there is no involvement of the gamete, the offspring is a product of one organism, and that is how the offspring is going to be same like the parent, and that is what is called as clones. What is clone? The definition again is expected for 1 mark. It is morphologically and genetically similar organism. Now, if you take a rose plant, cut it and plant it, whatever the new plant comes, it is going to have same appearance, that is called as morphology, and same genetic content, that is called as genetic content. So here, if the organism is same morphologically and genetically, it's called as clones, and you find clones in all type of asexual reproduction. Next, here we have various types of asexual reproduction. We are going to see one by one now. First one, very basic type. If you consider the organism like Monera and Protista, lower organism, they follow very simple type of reproduction. One cell grow, it just get divided into 2, and the 2 cells behave as new organism. Now, you will get confused. You may say that it's a cell division. Now here, cell division itself is called as asexual reproduction. That is the first type. Second type, in case of amoeba, the amoeba grow, it will just grow in the size and it will just break open into 2 organisms. If it is breaking open into 2 organisms, we call it as binary fission. Like that, you can have multiple fission also. And third thing is budding. You can see it usually in the Hydra. I am going to tell about it once again. So these are basic type of asexual reproduction. Little bit higher, it is asexual reproduction with the help of special structure. Very important concept for 2 marks. These structures will be asked for 2 marks. You have again the lower organism like Chlamydomonas. Here what does Chlamydomonas do is, it produces a special type of structure called a zoospore. This zoospore just gets separate from the body, and this zoospore itself will grow into new organism. So Chlamydomonas shows special structure called as zoospore. Likewise, Penicillium, you have learned it last year. Penicillium, it will produce a structure like conidia. This conidia, the moment it gets detached from the organism, it has capacity to grow into new organisms. So the special structure is here, conidia. Third one, Hydra. What happens in the Hydra is, here if the organism is like this, it will produce small outgrowth, and we usually call it as bud. This bud, when it grows, it will just get detached from the body and bud will grow into a new organism. The process is called as budding. And the fourth one, in sponges, you get a special type of structure called as gemmules. Very, very important question for the 2 marks. Chlamydomonas zoospore, Penicillium conidia, Hydra budding, sponges, gemmules. Next type of asexual reproduction, vegetative propagation, means here the plant or the part of the organism itself will grow into new organism. For example, in potato you have got a white color outgrowth which is called as eye. This eye has got capacity to grow into new organism. So potato shows eye. Likewise, ginger and banana, they show a stem modification called as rhizome, which will be helped in the propagation. Next one, bryophyllum. It is a leaf and the notches, it will produce small leaves. These leaves are now called as leaf buds. They will get detached, they will go to the substratum, they will grow into new plant. That is called as leaf bud. Next one is water hyacinth. It is called as offset. It propagates with the help of offset. One plant will be there, here will be leaves, here will be leaves. This is one node, this is one node, here will be the roots. If you cut it from here, this is going to serve as new plant, this is going to serve as new plant, and this structure is called as offset, and the next structure is called as oxalis, which propagate with the help of runner. Asexual reproduction, no involvement of gamete, they propagate in very fast manner. So this is about the asexual reproduction. Thank you.